Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at some plastic bottles. These are a set of 24 plastic bottles with the caps that are included. These are great for refillable for shampoos, travel bottles, toiletries, lotions, anything else, anything you can think of you can put into a plastic bottle. This will work. Now it comes in two different sizes. You can get an 8 ounce or a 16 ounce. Now this is an 8 ounce bottle. This is what we're going to talk about today, and it does come with caps. So you can get either this cap here, and you can get these set of 24 pieces. You get 24 bottles and you get 24 caps as well. A great fan. This is a really good quality item. Works really well. The size of this is 185 millimeters by 7.2 or 7.28 inches roughly, and then roughly the thickness is around 48 millimeter, which is roughly 1.88 inches across this way. So that's the size of the bottle. Now this is a PET bottle. What does that mean? It's a high quality bottle. This won't panel, which means it won't collapse inside. It's a 24-410 neck. That's what this is. I'm very familiar with bottles. I did a lot of business in bottles myself, and this is what it looks like. And you can see it's got a little pop-up disc. That's what we call this, a little pop-up disc on this here. You can see that, how that opens up. And you can just pour either shampoo or lotions. If you're a crafter, you want to make lotions, you need something like this to put them in. Anything at all like that, any kind of petroleum product, it'll stay in this bottle. That's what this is designed for, to hold any product at all. That's why it's such a good quality product that doesn't panel, which is really nice. Again, for lotions, for creams, you name it, anything at all, you can travel with this. It is small, compact, and lightweight, and very durable. That's what's so important about this specific product here. If you're going camping, a beach trip, you want to put some suntan lotion, you buy the big bottles of suntan lotion and you don't want to like take that huge bottle, put some in here. Easy access. Pop the disc open like I showed you here, just squeeze it, comes right out, close it down. Easy refillable. It's got a good size neck on here, good size funnel. You can just put a little funnel in here, or you can just pour it right in the hole itself. You can see it's got a good size, really nice quality. Now this comes again two different configurations. You can get this in the 24. It comes 24 pieces, and you can get them in 8 ounce or 16 ounces. That's the two different sizes that are available on these bottles. It's clear, high quality plastic, polyethylene, which is really high quality. They call it PET. That's what they call them in the industry. That's the bottle that you want to use when you want to put lotions and creams, anything at all. This is what you want to use. It doesn't panel. Panel means it doesn't squeeze in. It won't do that. So I'm going to recommend these 1000%. The company did send them to me and did compensate me to make this review, but I've been using these bottles for years in different products and different items that I've done in the past, and always very highly desirable and hard to find PET clear plastic bottles just like this. So go ahead and pick these up. It's a great deal, and you get 24 of them. That's really an awesome deal. It really is quite a bit, and this holds 8 ounces like I said. So I appreciate your time as always. Hope I brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We do all types of reviews just like this here to help educate you, inform you, and motivate you, and also just to give you a lot of information, because a lot of people don't, and I really want to show you what this is like. High quality bottle. You can see what it looks like. It's clear, and it works quite well. And that's what I have. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time as always, and don't forget to follow the channel for more. Make it a great day.